morning. It's Janelle, plus her two beauties. Not really, because they're downstairs with their aunt. But I'm by myself. I'm coming here today to do a get ready with me, because I need to go out and get the rest of that Christmas stuff. Not Christmas stuff, like stocking stuffers. Yeah, and just like other stuff for myself. And yeah, I decided I want to do a... Ew, I hate looking at snakes, so why is it on my TV? I'm coming here to do a get ready with me, by myself, no kids. But yeah, I'm going to be doing my hair and getting dressed, so I'll just record everything I do while I get ready. But this is how my hair is today. I moisturized it, oiled it up. I just did a new oil for my hair, like re-upped on my little bottle. This is still the same exact bottle, but there's no more in this in there. There's like all type of different stuff. But now I'm putting rosemary leaves up in there. So yeah, they say rosemary was to help grow your hair. Now we had it downstairs, not using it, so I put some in here. Hopefully it helps my hair grow. And I got some biotin oil and castor oil. The hair, but I think they offer hair. I think they offer like everything, but castor oil, zenith oil. You gotta like buy that online. I've randomly bought it from like TikTok, and yeah, I've barely been using it, so I put it in here. So I did that to my hair, and now it looks so fuzzy, but I'm not redoing these braids. Just gonna do my hair, put a little makeup on, maybe a little mascara, because that's all I wear, and lips. And then I'll get dressed, and you'll see all that, so see you in a second. Alrighty, I'm all dressed now. It took way longer. It's like 2 o'clock now, and that was in the morning when I started it, because a child came in here to change her clothes, so I had to let her do that. And then Sienna came in here filthy, so I had to go give her a bath. Yeah, I had to give her a whole bath. Washed her hair, because she haven't had her hair washed in a little minute. Washed her hair, blow dried it, got her dressed. Then I did my whole 20-minute workout. And then I went, washed up, and now I'm dressed. That's Ralph. Now I'm dressed and ready to go. See my outfit. Just got on jeans and a t-shirt. Very casual. But yeah, that's my outfit. I'm going to be putting on black boots that comes up to here. Let me get them. These black boots. So yeah, and then my jacket. I should have never got the kids dressed, because they're going to think they're coming with me. But I got to get the rest of the Christmas stuff, and I don't want them to see it and think they're going to be getting it. So I don't know how I'm going to roll up out of here without them seeing me, or without them thinking they're coming with me, because now they dress. Because they randomly wanted to get dressed today, and then filthy, and now they dressed thinking they about to come with me. But no, they have to stay here. I don't want them saying anything. So yeah, I need to do this hair, and then I'm gonna put a little mascara on. I couldn't find my other one, so I gotta use this one. This Rocket. I don't know if it's upside down. I have no clue. Rocket volume. So yeah, it's pretty good. I have to clean it off a little bit. Like, too much product be on there. So be back while I do this. You're gonna watch. So what am I talking about? Yes, I know the braids need to be fixed. I'm not doing all that. Put the hand up. It's mixed bar vanilla bourbon hair and body mist from Target. This thing is pretty expensive. It's like $20 for this thing. But honestly, yes, I feel like it's good because I had this for a minute and it's still got a light in there and it's blurry. It's the lotion that I'm using. That I use. And then deodorant. This is a Simple Secret clean lavender deodorant. So yeah, now back to the hair. This is how it's going to be in the back. I gotta look in the mirror too because I can't really see in here. I look very dark. Now I'm using this for the edges. I'll be back, honey. I can't see. Okay, I'm back. Hair is done. Like I just couldn't with that mirror. Can you see the edges? You see them edges? So, this is how it's going to be. This is mascara. Oh gosh, a naked baby back there. She just don't have no shirt. I just really can't do this in the mirror. I'm in the camera. I feel like I'm like right on it, but I'm not. Okay, that's gonna have to be off camera. Now I'm all done. It's me. I don't know where my necklace is. Like my favorite necklace is missing. I don't know where. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this get ready with me. Put on deodorant. I'm gonna head off to the store to get the stock and stuff first. And yeah, so see you tomorrow. I'm not posting today, which is the 21st, so this video will be out on the 22nd. So yeah, peace out. Subscribe down below. Hit click that white button. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. Okay, peace out.